On the quest for reliable and pocket-friendly dumpster rentals in Clearwater? You're in the right place. J&Z Dumpster Solutions has the answer to your cleanup needs. J&Z Dumpster Solutions, your go-to for hassle-free dumpster rentals in Clearwater, Florida, is here to make your cleanup projects a breeze. Our mission at J&Z Dumpster Solutions is simple: providing streamlined solutions for your dumpster needs, making your life easier. From home renovations to construction sites, our range of dumpster sizes ensures we have the perfect fit for projects of all scales. At J&Z Dumpster Solutions, we believe in more than just delivering dumpsters. We're delivering peace of mind, knowing your project is in good hands. Our dedicated team is here to ensure your experience with J&Z Dumpster Solutions is nothing short of exceptional. Because your satisfaction is our top priority. Need prompt and dependable service? Look no further. J&Z Dumpster Solutions is committed to keeping your project on track from delivery to pickup. Give us a call at 727-236-7077. We're always here to help. Renting a dumpster with us is a piece of cake. Just hop on our user-friendly website at www.jzdumpstersolutions.com. Dumpster Rental Clearwater FL. Browse our selection and book online. When it comes to dumpster solutions, choose the friendly experts at J&Z Dumpster Solutions. Your cleanup journey starts with us.